Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to show you quickly on how I use my own biochar, basically charcoal, in my garden. That's coming up right now. So what I do is I fill a bucket halfway with hardwood lump charcoal that you could purchase from any hardware store, and add water, and then add fish emulsion, seaweed, or kelp extract. And then I let it sit in there for about 24 to 48 hours, and then I'll just dress the garden floor, basically mulching over the garden floor with the charcoal. Now here's a tip, what I've learned. Don't buy any hardwood lump charcoal because some may not have been smoked / cooked long enough, and they still have organic material in them, meaning like they still have wood product in them. They haven't transformed into a good piece of premium lump charcoal yet. Premium material will sound like glass when you drop it on top of each other, and I'll demonstrate that right now. So when you hear me move around the hardwood lump charcoal in this bag, you might hear something that sounds like broken glass, and that's key. So that's what you want. If you don't hear that, it's not that high a quality of hardwood lump charcoal. Put that in the bucket, add water, add your fish, add seaweed or kelp, or both. Wait a couple of days, then dump that whole bucket under all your plants and trees. That's it. You don't need to bury it in. It'll break down over time. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and